Welcome to Naipunya Vikasam under APSS Stacy. My name is Uma, working as Functional English and Life Skills Trainer in Government Tribal Welfare Ashrama School, Palakunta, West Godavari District. Let I explain you a very important life skills topic, setting goals, from 10th class, module number 6. Dear students, what is your plan after completion of your studies? What are your future plans? Do you have any idea about your future? How do you frame your life and career to achieve success? All these questions are resolved by setting goals in your life. Most people have dreams. When you turn dreams into your life, goals, it becomes something to happen reality. Goal setting is the first step towards success. If you don't know where the goal are, then had you no one succeed. Had you defined success, therefore, with goal setting, control your life. We need think about every aspect in our life: family, relationship, friends, health and fitness, finance and career, education, spirituality, self-development. Let I explain about goal. A goal is something you aim for that takes planning and work. Goal setting is an effective way to achieve something, build self-esteem, build self-confidence. Goal setting involves the development of an action plan designed to motivate and guide a person or group towards a goal. Goal setting can be guided by goal setting criteria such as SMART criteria. Now, what is goal setting process? Goal setting is a purposeful and explicit process that starts with identifying a new objective, skill or project you want to achieve. Then you make a plan for achieving it and you work to complete it. What is the importance of a goal? Goal gives us a direction in our life. It gives us a meaning to live. Setting goal helps us to determine our priorities, get organized and make big decisions and realize our dreams. Goal setting motivates you to achieve what you want or need. Goal setting is the most important aspect of all improvement and personal development plans. Setting goals helps trigger new behaviors, helps guides your focus and helps you sustain that momentum in life. Goals also help align your focus and promote a sense of self mastery. In the end, you can't manage what you don't measure, and you can't improve upon something that you don't properly manage. Business people and achievers in all fields all set goals. Setting goals gives you long-term vision and short-term motivation. It focuses your acquisition of knowledge and helps you to organize your time and your resources so that you can make the most of your life. Why is goal setting important for students? When a student is able to get goals, it helps them to be accountable for every action or step they take. Having goals make learners aware of their actions, efforts, and even their time management skills. As such, it pushes students to tackle challenges head on and work on their weaknesses for overall success. Benefits of goal setting: begin to live your life with a passion. Enhance you create your destiny. You will have a purpose in life. If you are able to successfully set and achieve personal goals for yourself, you will experience many benefits even if you do not reach all your goals. Just having them can enrich your life in a number of ways. It provides direction. First and foremost, goals give you a direction and destination. Clearer focus on what is important. Clarity in decision making gives you control of your future, provides motivation, gives you a sense of personal satisfaction, gives you a sense of purpose in life. Type of goals. Generally, goals are categorized as long-term and short-term goals. Now, long-term goals consist of plans you make for future. These goals typically consist of family, lifestyle, career. For example, you become a doctor or a engineer, or you buy a house to get a master's degree, etc. Those are the long term achievements. Then we go short term goals. Those are the ones will achieve in the near future, typically in less than 1 year. These goals are often, but not always, stepping stones on the way to achieve long-term goals. For example, short-term goals: painting my living room or get a grade in examinations, become a good runner, etc. Long-term goals for your career: gain experience in a leadership role if you are given the opportunity to be in a leadership position. Take it. Improve your work performance. Get hired for your dream job. Increase your earnings. Become a mentor. The next one is short-term goals could be the purchase of household furniture, minor home improvements, saving for a car down payment, etc. But these short-term goals differ from day-to-day household expenditures. A short-term goal is one that you had want to achieve in 1 or 2 years. The great person Tony Robbins says that setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Conclusion: you now know more about effective goal setting, so you can make your life better and become successful and self-confident. You have also enhanced your research skills, writing skills, and thinking skills. The presentation you created will serve as a guide to people who want to find their way in life and reach their goals. Now that you have set your goals, you have found the destination of your life journey, and I am sure you will achieve everything you want. Although goals provide direction, they do not guarantee successful performance. It is not sufficient to just have a goal. Goals must be accompanied by effective study strategies and plans. The use of individual goal setting accompanied with appropriate feedback and Teacher support is crucial in building effective motivational approaches and regulatory learning strategies in enhancing academic success. Okay, students, I hope you understand. Let me ask some questions. How many types of goals? What is your long term goal? And next one is explain about your goal. What are benefits of a goal? What is the importance of a goal?